Hi guys, how are you all? So this is next 48 hours and it's going to be a collective reading. So let's see what do we have for the collective for next 48 hours and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's begin. Okay. I think the God wants to offer you the world, but you are busy looking for some kind of mistakes or some kind of um, loopholes to get back to square one. I don't know, but I do have this feeling where universe wants to give you everything, where universe is ready to give you everything, but instead of being in peace and instead of prioritizing your peace, instead of continue to heal yourself, some of you are giving a lot of importance to your past fears as well. um, to your certain past habits as well. Okay, I'll be clarifying all the cards and then we will begin the proper reading. Whoa. So the reading starts with justice and it is ending with the lovers. So I think it's going to be a great reading. So let's begin. So first we have in your current energies we have justice here, and to clarify we have ace of swords, a high priestess, and eight of cups. I think you are kind of pretty much sure about from where you need to walk away. Okay, you are being asked to walk away from certain things in your life right now and you have utmost clarity about it. Okay, I don't think that you are confused. I don't think that there's anything left where you need more clarity. I think you being able to listen to your intuition as well. Everything is on point right now in your life when it comes to taking a new direction in your life. It's just that you are reminiscing about what did not work for you in the past. Okay, and I think whatever did not work, universe is going to replace it with something better. Okay, I very strongly feel that some kind of justice is coming towards you and you know it as well. Okay, because you are the high priestess. Okay, you are the high priestess. You are someone who is very intuitive. You are someone who has a very strong gut feeling. Okay, you are someone who prioritize clarity over anything. So kahin na kahin I do feel that you have given yourself that clarity. Universe has been giving you that sense of clarity, and that justice is also coming your way. Okay, so whatsoever you're going to walk away from, it's all going to be worth it, because you were settling for a rose, but universe wants to give you a garden, or probably, yeah, a garden. Okay, so that is how universe is going to give you the justice. Sometimes it's not that, let's say that someone broke your heart and everything, and universe is going to give them something bad or whatever. But here, if someone tried to hurt you, or they tried to betray you in some manner, universe is going to give you so much better than this person or this opportunity as well. Okay, then here we have Eight of Cups. So like I said, that you are moving away from all this confusion, and just hold on, guys. Yeah, so like I said, that you are moving away from all this drama. We have Seven of Cups, we have Two of Pentacles. I don't think that you kind of gave up on your dream or on a person. I think you have tried a lot to balance out things. You have tried a lot to balance your life as well. You tried to maintain a balance with this person if there's any person involved, but I do sense that there always have been some kind of sneaky energy. I do feel that this person has kind of manipulated you. There was gaslighting involved, okay, and you were very much emotionally involved here. But now, when your emotions are becoming your strength, you also understand that intuition is a part of that. Okay, intuition is your heart's calling. So it's not just about feelings, it's not just about emotions, but now everything is coming to your heart's calling. Everything is coming at the cost of heart's calling, and that is not something where you would want to settle. Okay, then we have King of Pentacles. So yes, definitely, if there has been any kind of third party situation from your person's end, so that third party situation is ending, because I do see if you are dealing with an earth sign or someone who is like a family man or a family woman. So if there has been any kind of third party situation when it comes to this person, this third party situation is ending. Okay, because I think your person is going through some kind of awakening. They are going to realize some kind of truth, and they would want to have a family with you. For some, I do feel that it's not just about you and them being together, but it's also about they want to have children with you. They want to have a very beautiful family with you. They want to have a whole new start with you. So it's like there are chances that something happened in the past when it comes to this person. Okay, they have gone through a lot, but now I think they are ready to have a new start in their life. Okay, and it's going to be a lot around stability. It's going to be a lot around foundation, be it financially, be it emotionally, and they see you as someone with whom they can have that solid emotional foundation with. Okay, they want to become the provider, they want to become the nurturer. So that kind of energy is there, be it a man or a woman. Then we have Nine of Swords, Five of Cups, and King of Wands and Five of Wands. I don't know why, but I do feel that you are kind of overthinking a lot. Okay, and some of you are also complaining about past a lot. Why did not things work with this person? Why did not your dreams come true, and this and that? But I don't know, I just feel that here you have to come to an acceptance. Okay, and you have to realize certain things, because I think you're just beating around the bush again and again. You probably ask the same questions in tarot, or you probably keep on chasing the same person. No matter how much you do the same thing again and again, you will be back to square one. So there's no point in doing the same thing, repeating the same pattern, being in the same loop. I think you are being asked to just completely cut off with this energy, or even a wish of yours. Okay, yeah. Then we have, in the immediate future, we have Two of Pentacles, and here we have Four of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Chariot. So for some, if you have been in any kind of trouble, or if you have been wanting to heal yourself, a lot of you, I do see that you are in some kind of worry. Okay, you are looking for some kind of stability, but you don't know how to have that stable life. You don't know how to create that stability. So but at the same time, you're also healing yourself. You're choosing to heal yourself. So here I do feel that when you find peace within that boredom as well, when you find peace within whatever is happening in your life, I think that is the time when there's going to be a completely new energy that is being sent by the god. For some it can be a new person, and for others there's going to be a completely new spirit that you will experience within yourself. Okay, and this spirit is more about where you become the magician of your life. I think some of you are finally learning that spiritual lesson that you were meant to learn. So I do see that there's going to be some awakening within you, probably when it comes to your solar chakra. So if you have been wanting to heal your solar plexus, if you have been going through some kind of ego issues, some kind of action issues where you had to take some kind of action, or self-esteem, confidence issues, or anything of that sort, definitely that is being resolved by the universe. So there's going to be a new spirit within you that you will be experiencing. Then we have Eight of Swords. So here universe is asking you, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, some of you are really in this fear, what if I get cheated, what if I get played? Dear universe, if I trust this person, is this person going to be the, is this person going to be a trickster? Is this person going to do the same things that happened to me in the past? Can I trust this person? Can I not? So all these kind of questions are there. Okay, so even if you are resting, you always have that sword with you, that what if energy is there. Okay, you still have that defense mechanism with you कि okay, अगर कोई worst case scenario होता भी है, so I have my sword and I'm going to do this, I'm going to have my boundary. So you are being asked that you don't have to worry at all, you have to completely rest, you have to completely be in this surrender energy, because universe is giving you the justice. When universe gives you the justice, then you don't have to worry about anything at all. Okay, you are being given that, you are being gifted with a beautiful replacement, you are being gifted with a beautiful person. Okay, for some it can be abundance as well. So abundance is coming in your life. Okay, and there is no chance where you will be played. Okay, or where you will be played, or there's going to be any kind of manipulation. I don't think the past is going to repeat. Okay, I don't think that you will have to go through the same hurt, and you can trust the universe. Okay, what, even if this person tries to hurt you indirectly or directly, universe is going to take care of it. Okay, so that's why I think universe is wanting you to keep your fears aside. Then we have here is Four of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and the Fool. Again, that is the exactly, this is what you need to heal. I don't know why, but I do feel that you have commitment issues, whether you are a man watching this or you are a woman watching this. In fact, I'm getting very feminine energy as well. Some of you have major commitment issues. You guys are one of those runners. ओके, एंड मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत फेमिनिन एनर्जी दिख रही है. फॉर सम आई थिंक it's less about your self-respect and it's more about your ego. Or I also see that there's some kind of past hurt or some kind of past trauma which you haven't healed yet, and you need to heal that. You need to heal that heartbreak. Okay, because I think you have kind of adapted this lifestyle or this perception in your mind that you are just going to be carefree and you will live your own life and do this and that. But this is kind of displacement, I would say, which is a defense mechanism in psychology. So you are displacing your hurt with something better, but that doesn't mean that you are healing your hurt. So I think in the next 48 hours there will be such an energy where you will be called to heal yourself completely. Okay, you have been backstabbed in the past, you have been bullied in the past, you have been looked down upon in the past, but that is exactly what you need to heal. Okay, healing is for what? Healing is not just for having fun. Healing is about completely making peace with all these issues as well, not just on mental level, but on emotional level, on psychological level, on spiritual level, and on physical level as well. And the last one, we have the World. So here we have Three of Pentacles, Six of Cups, Empress, and the Lovers. Universe is delivering you a beautiful person in your life with whom you're going to have a beautiful connection with. This person is going to take care of you like a child. Okay, I do see past life energy and soulmate energy, which is very much prominent here. This person is going to keep you like a child. They will keep you like a queen. They will keep you like a princess. So it's like they will work on your dreams. Okay, so this is the kind of energy that I see, and universe is gifting you with this person. Okay, for others, for some it is a person, and for some I also feel that those who have been deliberately or purposely looking for your soul purpose, so that soul purpose is very much near. Within next 6 days to 6 weeks max, you will get to know a lot about your soul purpose or your soul journey. So yeah, I think that is there. And yes, for some, very soon some kind of travel is there. Okay, so some traveling is going to happen. And yeah, I think that is it. So one possibility that I also see it is that you might meet someone while traveling. Okay, so I think that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.